Today is an exciting day. We are going to stop talking about AI and start working on it. Whether you are an engineer or someone who just know how to use ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. Let's start by running LLM on our own system. Once you run a real model on your own system, everything you learned in the first video will start making sense. Let's start by running Ollama on our own computer and make it an AI server. Okay, Ollama. Go to the Ollama website and download it. Select your operating system. Okay, so here it is downloading. I actually already have Ollama downloaded and installed. Let's start working on it in terminal. Let me make it a bit bigger. Let's understand what is Ollama. Ollama is an AI runtime and model manager. Think of it like Docker runs containers, Kubernetes runs clusters, Python runs Python programs. That's how Ollama runs AI models. It takes care of downloading models, storing them efficiently, loading them into memory, using GPU, CPU, everything. In simple words, Ollama turns your laptop into a small AI server. The same way companies run AI on big servers. We are running it on our own laptop. Yeah, once you have installed it, let's open terminal. Okay, let's see. Let's run command Ollama. Okay, so you can see the screen where it's showing all the commands that we can run. So it means Ollama has been successfully installed. It means our AI runtime is active now. Laptop is AI ready, and we can run real LLMs here in our own computer. Let's start by running a small model, Gamma 3, which is from Google. Okay, so yeah, see, what is Gamma 3? It is a family of lightweight models with multi-model understanding and all that stuff. So here you can see its capabilities, all the models which it's providing. So this number, it means the number of parameters this model is trained on. The more the number of parameters, the more intelligent, the more powerful the model is. But on our own computer, we will run this, the smallest one. Okay, let's try. First, we need to start Ollama serve. Okay, it is now ready to host our model. Ollama run, copy the name from here. Gamma 3. Okay, this is the one with 270 million parameters. So that's it. We are now successfully hosting LLM on our own computer and using Gamma 3 with 270 million parameters. How are you? I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How are you? I am good too. Can you help me to learn LLMs? Okay. Yeah. So the answers actually depends on the number of parameters and how trained is the model. I already explained what are parameters in video 1 of this series, but let me tell you, like, parameters are the learned knowledge of the model. You can think of them as billions of tiny decision points that stores patterns like language, logics, and reasoning. More parameters means more understanding and more like better reasoning and better generation of the new content. Also, it will use more RAM. As you can see in the terminal, we are talking to an AI that lives on our own machine now. There are bigger versions of Gamma as well. You can see here. You can try setting it up and see how the results are. Start experimenting your own. Let's try with one more model. Which one should we choose? Let's try small LLM. Okay, let's see. Small, yeah, this one. Okay, which one is the smallest one? This one. Okay, let's exit this one. To exit this, we need to press Command D. Oh, sorry, Control D. Okay, and we are done. Ollama run. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry, wrong command. It will take some time. The Gamma one that was already installed on the system, already downloaded and installed, but this one I'm using first time on this practical demo. Let's see how much time it will take. Yeah, it's ready now. Let's try chatting with it. Hi, can you be my Hindi teacher? Yes, I like it. Let's start learning. Okay, the first word which, okay, namaste. Namaste is a greeting typically used in Hindu ceremonies. This is a very tiny model running locally, almost instantly. You can do it on your own and see the magic and start chatting with it and start understanding it. Then you will have sense like how the LLMs work. Let's try one more model. Let's try a bigger model this time. Let's try Meta's flagship model. Yeah, let's try it. Llama. Yeah, which one? Which one? Let's try Llama 3.1. Oh my God, 8 billion, 70 billion, 405. Yeah, let's do this one. Ollama, run. It will take some time. 4.9 GB. In the meantime, let's understand a bit more. Depending upon your system's configuration, try some bigger models as well and try to ask some complex questions. Try to do some more complex tasks like writing a script, writing a Python code, or something like that. Okay, our model is now ready. Let's start asking some more complex questions, more complex topics. Can you write a Python script for me that scraps content from a website? See, it is writing a Python script which can be used to scrap web content. Let's recap what we just built. We have an AI runtime, Ollama, multiple LLM families, large models, small models, all running locally. You didn't just run AI, we are also comparing how the models work, not theory, no hype. Why this matters? Once you understand this, you understand how AI server works, how parameters are actually used in LLMs, how AI products are deployed, everything else builds on top of this. In the next video, we will do next part with some more advanced things. Until then, bye bye.